So how do you set it up, right? I said before that I'm not gonna set it up today. I'm gonna do an unboxing video today and set up video another day. But let's get it done. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this, the oil diffuser. Doesn't give me a good feeling. Where does it diffuse it from? Does it diffuse it from here or does it diffuse from here? I don't know, but the fact that I would put this pad over here and drop essential oil in this. Again, already the smells, it's not efficient way of doing it, I believe. You're wasting your essential oil. The smell's gonna come out through this. I would really prefer this being diffused in water and mist coming out. Not that I'm gonna drop essential oil in the water, but let's get this started. So simply to remove it, pull this off. I'm doing it in my kitchen as a demonstration because it's high up here and when I'm doing video, but I'm gonna have it on the floor. And just to let me tell you, once you fill this up, don't think you're gonna just lift it with this, because the moment you put your hand here and you kind of lift it, this part comes out. So if you're gonna be moving this, then most probably you have to hold it from here and move it around. So that's one thing. I'm not gonna use distilled water, but I'm gonna use filtered water from my fridge. So let's get it started. So over here you see close, open. I'm just gonna twist it on this side counterclockwise to open it. There it goes. And hopefully I can align it. And I'm not sure how heavy it's gonna be, or maybe next time I'm gonna take a jug, put a funnel and put water here. I think that's gonna be best idea. So let's try this. I don't want to make a mess. Oh, okay. So there you go. So this is not necessary. If you guys want, you can use tap water. I just don't want to spend money on filter, especially designed for this to avoid buildup of scale. That white dust. I'd rather spend some time doing this. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna give up, a few times after using this, and I'm gonna just use tap water. So when you buy new stuff, in the beginning you tend to care so much, then months go by and you're like, okay, screw it, I'm gonna do whatever is easier for me. So I think that's most probably what's gonna happen with me. Knowing myself, I try to care for the stuff. Usually my stuff they last longer. The stuff I buy. I have my purifier, which is almost 80 years old. 8 or 7 years old. My vacuum is still running. Most of the stuff, my TV is, oh my god, 80 years old. And I don't like to spend money unless I really need to. So that's locked. So, this is heavy. And as you can see, I did not fill it up all the way to the top. I kind of put two full jug. So, have you seen that video that somebody sprinkled the salt? There's a meme, I believe. I'm not trying to do that move, but it looks like I'm doing that move. So, once you put it in and you see the humidifier is kind of absorbing, not absorbing, but pulling that water into the dispenser, and that's common with all humidifier. And that's on. I still see some air bubble. As I said, I'm not gonna use the feature for essential oil. I'm not gonna waste essential oil. Those are expensive. And there you go. I see some blue light, so yes. Do I hear sound? No. So let's turn it on. Oh. And right away I saw some mist came out this way. Then it turns off, so you don't know if it's working or not, but I do hear a sound. Do you? Where is it coming from? Okay, let's play with this. Wow, okay. So I believe you see some mist coming out. I'm gonna try to get a better angle. Yeah, or maybe zoom out. No, can't capture the mist. Let's see if I try to, maybe you can see this angle. But let me tell you, it's working. Here you can see kind of shooting out this way, this angle. And yes, when you turn, yeah, you can see the mist coming out. It starts operating right away, and it's very quiet, very, very quiet. Very quiet. Okay, jokes apart. So that's it. Fine, cool mist. Oh, it's cool. Unlike one of those warm mist. No, this is cool mist. Cool. The features. So you have timer. So let's set it up for 4 hours, or 8 hours, or 12 hours. Or you have the setting for mist, which is low, medium, high. If you want the light on, then your light stays on. Otherwise I will, no. What if I want the light on? Or it's simply to, because when you're touching these buttons, they already light up. You know, I don't think you need to press on this just to see the light, but okay. And you have the refill light, so it's gonna turn off. It's supposed to turn off by itself when the water tank is empty, and it should give you the indicator right there that you need to refill the water tank. So one thing I must say, this is very quiet, very, very quiet. I don't hear anything. Not gonna place it over here because my ceiling's gonna collect all that moisture. Normally it's just for demonstration I put it up here, but I would put it on the floor, and before I put it on the floor I would put some kind of bin around it, so if it ever leak, you know, and doesn't matter which brand you buy, I always hear these complaints that yeah, my dehumidifier leaked or my humidifier leaked, and doesn't matter which brand it is. Just be cautious, just be safe, just put something that it collects the water. It could be electrical hazard if it water builds up to here, but I rather save my floor, not spend, you know, a few $1,000s fixing the floor over this. And they should have auto shut off, or, you know, some kind of feature that it should cut off the electricity. What I'm gonna do, I'm also gonna set up a timer just to be sure that when I'm not home. So I'm gonna buy one of those timer that you can set up, okay, from 8 p.m. to, you know, 4 a.m. start the humidifier, and when I'm not home, so I'm sure that, okay, so right now you see amount of mist that it's putting out. Before it was hard to. So yeah, I'm gonna put a timer just in case, you know, it doesn't start or spill water or there's electricity or some sort when I'm not at home. So this is it. Pureguardian humidifier, oil diffuser, which you may use. And they had some silver cleaning features or something. I would have to see how to maintain this product over time. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.